If you're a high-performing man going through a breakup, divorce, or emotional collapse, and you feel it quietly affecting your focus, your sleep, and decision-making, please pay attention. Because heartbreak doesn't just affect relationships. It affects your income, it affects your time, it affects your reputation, and it affects your leverage. And most men already underestimate the damage until it's already cost them. This is not for men wanting to blame their ex. This is for founders. This is for executives. This is for men with assets, responsibilities, and something to lose. You cannot afford a 6-month emotional downward spiral. You cannot afford unstable decision making, and you definitely can't afford public weakness. I built what looked like freedom, income, travel, lifestyle. Then in one season, I lost both my relationship and my business. And what I realized was my emotional stability was directly tied with my performance. When one collapsed, everything destabilized. I rebuilt systematically, not emotionally, structurally. This is where the 3 circles of life came from: health, love, wealth. If one circle destabilizes, then the rest will follow. See, when men go through heartbreak, they risk losing the following: money, time, risk, and status. Poor decisions, distractions, and impulsivity. Months wasted in emotional fog. Legal, reputational, and financial damage. Loss of edge, and loss of presence. My work is all about stabilizing the 4 pillars while rebuilding the 3 circles of your life. Most men try to power through heartbreak. They suppress it, they overlook it. They jump into the next relationship, or they try and numb the feeling. All of this, it just leaks power. You don't need motivation, you need structure. You need accountability and someone who understands performance pressure. I work with a small number of men at a time. If you're not willing to train daily, cut out alcohol and drugs, track your performance, take responsibility, then quite frankly, this isn't for you. However, if this resonates, the next step is a private diagnostic call. This is a structured session where we audit your 3 circles and identify where you're leaking leverage. I will also be building you a 90-day stabilization plan. See if this makes sense. We'll discuss about working together privately. And if not, you still leave with clarity. So click below, apply. If you qualify, you'll receive the next steps.